Hey there, my name is Nick, and I'm an MSP consultant at ProVal Tech. Today, I want to go over how to upload a custom logo to the Report Center in ConnectWise Automate. This is a great way to personalize your reports and add branding to your business. Please click the like and subscribe button in the bottom right corner so you never have to miss out on another video. Let's get into it. To start, you'll want to open up the Report Center by going to Tools, Report Center. And once that's open, you'll want to click on report branding on the left-hand side. And here we already have a logo uploaded, but if you didn't have an logo uploaded, you'll click on Load File. You'll navigate to the logo that you have and click Open. And you'll see it displayed here. And if it all looks good, you'll want to click on Save. And now that you have the logo uploaded, what you want to do is run a report just to see what the report actually looks like. So in this case, I'll just double click on this patch audit script and just to see what the report looks like. And there you go. So whenever you run a report after you upload a logo, it's going to be on the front page like this, just so it's more personalized for your branding. Whenever you send it to clients, it's going to show your brand. If you don't have a logo uploaded, it's just going to show this patch audit report with no logo there. So it's just best to upload that so you can have your branding there when you send it out to your clients. And also when you upload a logo, it's going to be on the top right of any other pages down below. So that's how you can easily add your logo to your reports from within the Report Center. Thanks for watching. We post a new video every week to share our knowledge. Let us know what else you would like to see, or if you have any questions, please leave your response in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe.